Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Accelerator pedal linkage kit for the right-hand drive bay window. This top quality Accelerator pedal linkage upgrade kit is manufactured by Butty's Bits and is designed for the right-hand drive bay window manufactured between 1969 and 1972. It converts your throttle pedal from a worn, vague on and off switch to a smooth progressive control and transforms the drivability of your bus. The kit includes a laser cut 5mm steel replacement pivoting linkage complete with sealed ball bearing swivel section, upgraded linkage from the pedal with bolted rose joints and a rose jointed link rod. The kit comes with a stock spring, a spanner, template and mounting hardware. When bolting the end of the throttle cable to the linkage, tighten, then undo half a turn to allow the cable to rotate freely. Use a supplied return spring if the kit's being used with a standard carburettor. Twin carburettors will have their own return springs which are much stronger than the stock springs. For further information on the Accelerator pedal linkage upgrade kit for the right-hand drive bay window manufactured between 1969 and 1972, or for other parts that we can supply manufactured by Butty's Bits, please see our website.